What is up, beautiful people? I am back with another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do your own filling. And if you want to go from basic French to this French right here, sexy, classy, bad, keep on watching this video because I'm about to give you tea. So I got this nail gel set from Burri. I ordered it on Amazon, you guys. So it is gel polishes. Like, would you look at this beautiful gel polish? It is in a container, you guys. So I got the set that came with yellow, pink, gray clay, and bloody red. So we're gonna do this filling, guys, and in order to do this filling, you gotta remove the old polish you had on your nails because you're gonna be putting new polish. If you didn't know, over quarantine time, I have been buying a whole bunch of nail kits because I said the nail salons were closed and I needed to learn on my own. And also I wanted to get into doing other people's nails so I can make that coin, honey. So you'll have to use this Betsy nail drill that I bought off of Amazon. Don't we just all love Amazon? So I bought that nail kit from Amazon and it will be linked down below. After I removed all the polishes off of my nails, I took a regular cuticle pusher, I believe, and it also removed dead cuticles and it make your cuticles look all cute and clean. So that's what I went ahead and did. Then I'm gonna push this next tool into my Betsy nail drill. This was so therapeutic to do and to also watch, you guys. The way my cuticles just remove off of my nail beds was, oh my god, it just felt so good to do that. You should try it yourself, y'all. Go and buy that Betsy. This isn't sponsored by them. This is actually sponsored by Burri nail gel set. They sent out this beautiful gel set to me. I actually got to choose which one I wanted, but they also have other beautiful colors. You guys check out their website and just take a look. Their website is super dope. I honestly think this is dope and very essential for women because you want to keep up with yourself. And also, you guys, you get more polish with these sets. So we're gonna get back to doing our filling. So like I said, I did buy a bunch of stuff off of Amazon, AliExpress, all type of places. Like this powder here. This is acrylic powder that I'm going to be using to do my filling. I already had my nails professionally done, but I wanted to save some money, so I went ahead and did my own filling instead of, you get the drill. So we're just gonna apply the first bid. I did learn how to do this on YouTube, of course. We learned everything on YouTube, and that's why I'm doing this, so I can teach you about this Burri gel set that's super easy to use, whether you do a filling or you put it on your natural nails. You do need a UV gel light for this polishes. So I just used little bids after little bids. I think it's called beads. I'm sorry. I used little beads after little beads, and I just pat down using this brush. I did buy this brush from AliExpress. It had a lot of reviews on this brush, honey. I think a lot of nail techs bought this brush, so that's why I bought it, and it works wonderfully. I'll also link that down below if you like. And then I just took my time and I went over each finger. I really eyeballed it, make sure to cover that extra space in between my cuticle bid and my acrylic. And I just filled it in, you guys. You take your time, you use the acrylic liquid and you use the acrylic powder. Bought all of these things on either Amazon or AliExpress. I will definitely link everything for you. I promise. Just visit the description box below. And you must use a paper towel, of course, to wipe off any excess or dry off your brush. I'm patting down to the paper towel, sorry for my accent, patting down to the paper towel every time my brush was too wet and leaking. I don't like that feeling. It was making it look, you know, messy. So you must leave your brush a little bit damp, not too dry but damp, so that the acrylic powder could get onto your nail and you can create that smooth look. As I do this, I like to clean around my cuticles with the brush and just, you know, make sure that it's really neat and nice. Look at that, you guys. It looked like I went to the salon. It looks so fresh, and I am not a professional, by the way. I just love doing my own nails and just, you know, saving some money, and I love teaching you, and that's why you are here today, because you know I teach you. And if you didn't know, girl, check out my other videos. I try to find you the most affordable things and easy things to use so that you can have an easy lifestyle. So I like my nails super square. I also like coffin nails, but today my nails were originally square, and I just live by square nails because they're like super batty, they're like super neat, to me, of course. I also want to try doing like an oval or a pointy type of nails next, so stay tuned for the next nail tutorial. I'm gonna try to do like a coffin or oval one. I think that those are also batty when you're doing a French. I'm using this buffer. It has a 180 and a 100 side, and I'm just going in with the 180 side because it's stronger and it's just squaring up the acrylic to be super neat like I like it. So after I went through every finger and squared it up and shaped it up to my liking, I'm going to go back with my drill. This is the Betsy drill again, and I'm gonna go around my cuticles to make sure that it looks super neat and it's not looking too bulky. I love this drill set, you guys. It's very therapeutic to use this. It just feels good as you go around your nails. You feel like you're learning something important in life, you know, just to always have your nails nicely and classy. Next, I'm gonna take my buffer. This buffer came in the kit. I forgot which kit, but it did come in a kit. I'm gonna take my time and buff my nails so that it's super smooth and neat, so my polish could sit on there nice and neat. Look at that. Don't it look so beautiful and professionally done? Now we're gonna get to the best part of this tutorial. We're gonna use our Burri nail gel set. I'm gonna go in with black because I'm going with the bad beach black French nails. I swear the black French nails is just the baddest. I tell you, you need to try it out on your own. Buy this gel set and try this out on your own, you guys. It's so easy, and these paintbrushes you can find in like Michael's or any art store, or you could buy it from my link down below from Amazon or AliExpress. So I'm going in between a pointy paintbrush and then I'm going with a flathead paintbrush. The pointy paintbrush helped me to create a line, a neat line at that, like a U line going across my nails, and then the flat brush helps me to paint the rest of the nail, as you can see as I'm doing here. It's super neat, you guys, and I love this so much. This is my first time doing black French. Kind of messed up, but you know, you can go over with a Q-tip and some nail polish remover. As you can see, the purple top here has nail polish remover on there. The nail polish remover removes the gel really easy. As long as you don't cure it with the light, you can remove it with some paper towel or a Q-tip, and I love that. So like I said before, just going back and forth with these two paintbrushes, and it was so easy and so soothing to do, and I encourage you to do your own nails. You could even go to the nail salon, y'all. I'm gonna put y'all onto game. You can go to the nail salon and have them do your nails and walk out and go create your own art, okay? This is art to me. I don't care what anyone say. I love doing this, and because I have so many colors, I can create any abstracts I want and any designs that I want onto my nails. Next time I am going to go to the nail salon and I am going to get my nails freshly set, but I'm going to walk out with no design. Now I did buy this UV light from Amazon also. It came in a whole kit with all of the stuff like the buffer and stuff. I'll leave that down below. We're gonna cure that for 60 seconds, take it out, and then we're gonna use our gel polish. I got this gel polish, I'm not too sure if it was Instagram or Amazon, but I will find one and link it down below. We're gonna polish our nails because we're done at this point. And look how beautiful that look. It's giving bad gothic girl. It's giving baddie. It's giving that girl, just beautiful. I loved it, and it makes me feel super cute, flirty. When I look at my hands as I talk, I want to talk with my hands. I just feel good. Look how nice that look, you guys. It just looks super cute. Nobody can tell me anything. I am so in love with this gel set, you guys. It is the best thing. It's honestly changed my life. I'm going to be using all of these colors. I'm going to do different French sets. And like I said, I will go to the nail salon and then create my own design. Look at that. It's just so nice, and I'm so happy with my finishing result. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Don't forget to visit the description down below for the Burri nail gel set, and you can get it on Amazon. I am so satisfied, and I know you'll be satisfied. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Ciao!